Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your carrier and data plan allow tethering. This prevents surprises mid-setup. Once done, make sure your phone has enough battery and mobile data. If not, plug it in. Open Settings and go straight to Personal Hotspot or Network and Internet. Tap the hotspot toggle to turn it on. You do this first so your device broadcasts immediately. Set a visible network name and a strong password as you enable it, so other devices can find and join securely. Once the hotspot is on, configure the connection details so you control access and performance. Change the network name, SSID, and pick a WPA2 or WPA3 password. This keeps strangers off and preserves data. Next, choose the band 2, 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds, if your phone offers it. If a single device must connect reliably, use USB tethering or Bluetooth tethering. These methods reduce interference. Finally, monitor connected devices in the hotspot settings to manage who's using data. You finish by connecting your laptop or tablet using Wi-Fi, USB, or Bluetooth and confirming web pages load. Make sure to watch data consumption and any idle timeout so you don't burn through your allowance. Disable the hotspot when finished to save battery and data. If a device cannot connect or internet is absent, try simple fixes. Toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, or reconnect via USB. If problems persist, check carrier APN and consider resetting network settings as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.